So welcome students. Today we will see exercise 13.3 in that question number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted. So this one metallic sphere which is having a radius 4.2 centimeter has been melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. So like this. So this radius is 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So from this it is known that so the volume of this one is equal to the volume of this one. Okay, that is the volume of sphere is equal to the volume of cylinder. The same metallic sphere has been melted. So here the volume of sphere, here the volume can be calculated is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Okay, 4 by 3. So pi into r means here 4.2. Okay, 4.2 whole cube. That is volume of cylinder is equal to so pi r square h. Okay, this is pi r square h. So now here pi into r means here radius equal to 6 centimeter. So 6 square into h, that h only we have to calculate. So this is equal to 36 pi h. So this is 1, this is 2. So equating equation 1 and 2, equating equations 1 and 2, because this volume is equal to this volume. So now 4 by 3 pi into 4.2 whole cube is equal to 36 pi h. So this pi and this pi will be gets cancelled. Okay, 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. Okay, so here 4.2 whole cube is equal to, see 9 3 is 27 h. So h is equal to 4.2 whole cube divided by 27. So h is equal to, this is here 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 27. Okay, so this will be equal to, so this h is equal to 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 1s are 0.4. Okay, so 3 3s are, so here also 1.4. So 3 1s are, this is 1.4. Okay, so this is 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. So this comes to, this h is equal to, see here 1414. Okay, 4 4 is 16, 4 1s are 4 5. So this is 196. Okay, 196 means this again 14 we have to calculate. So 14 means 6 4 is 24. So 9 4 is 36 to 38. So 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. So 196 here 4 4. So 10 17 1. Okay, this is 2744. So 3 1 2 3 2.744. That is 2.744. This is centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Okay, this is the answer. So this is h is equal to 2.744. This height of the cylinder will be 2.744 centimeter. Okay, this one. We'll go for next one. Exercise 13.3 in that question number 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm are respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So there are 3 metallic spheres are there. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So one is 6 cm radius. So another is 8 cm radius. So another is 10 cm radius. So these all 3 have been melted to resulting in one sphere of what radius? So this they are asking. So the volume of these 3, to calculate this one, all the volume, so this will be V1, V2, V3. So here this is V. Okay. So the resulting volume must be equal to the volume of this one, volume of this one and volume of this one. That is volume of 1, 2, 3. Okay. So volume, each volume you have to find out first. So here neat diagram have drawn here. So here, so this is R1 equal to 6, R2 equal to 8, so R3 equal to 10 centimeter. So now the volume of 3, volume of all these 3 we will calculate here. So let it be this volume V1. So this is V2 and this is V3. So V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So here 4 by 3 pi into r means here radius 6 cube. So 6 6 is 36. 36 into 6, that is equal to 216. Okay. So that is 6 6 is 36 and here 6 6 is 36. So here 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 216. Okay. So here this is 216. This is V1. So now next V2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 8 cube. Okay. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi into here. So this is equal to 512. Okay. So now next volume V3 is equal to 4 by 3 pi into here 10 cube. So this is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 1000. Okay. So this is one volume, this is second volume, this is third volume. So total volume is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. So this is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 216. Okay. Plus 4 by 3 pi into 512 plus 4 by 3 pi into 1000. Okay. So 4 by 3 I will take common, 4 by 3 pi. So here 216 plus 512 plus 1000. Okay. So this is equal to, so 4 by 3 pi, here all three addition, that is 1000, 512, that is 216. So 8, 2, okay. So this is 7, this is 1. So 1728. So now here this is volume. This is volume of this one. This is V. So this V can also be written as 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi can be cancelled. So r cube is equal to 1728. So r is equal to cube root of this is 1728. Okay. So this will be, so here cube root means here 10 into 10 into 10, we know that, so that is 1000. Okay. 11 is 11 into 11 into, this is equal to 121 into 11 means, see here 121, so 121, so 1333. So 13, next one will be 13, we will see 11, afterwards that 12 we will see, 12 into 12 144, that we know. So again 12, so 2 4 is 8. Okay, 2 4 is 8, so 2 1 is 2, so this is 144, so 8 12, 4 2 is 6 7 1 7. So this is 1728. So means 12 cube is 17. This is equal to 12. Okay, r is equal to 12, because 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to 1728. That is cube root of 1728 equal to 12. So radius, now we got the radius of this resulting sphere is equal to r is equal to, this is 12. Okay, so that's what they have asked. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 13.3, in that question number 3, a 20 meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter. Okay, so here 20 meter, this is height he has given, with a diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meter by 14 meter. So 22 meter by 14 meter, that is length and breadth. Find the height of the platform. So same thing, the volume of this one, that is internal volume, whatever the volume of this cylindrical shape, so that should be equal to this volume of the cuboid. So now we will calculate first this volume of this cylindrical shape, that is volume of here cylindrical shape, or we can write as a deep well, cylindrical, that is a deep well. Okay. So this is equal to volume of a cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h. Okay. So pi r square h. So we know h and r. So here 22 by 7 into r square means here 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, because radius is 7 by 2. This is diameter. So into height is 20. So 7 7 cancel. So 2 1s are 2 10. So 2 1s are 2 11. So this is equal to 11 into 7 into 10. Okay. So 77 into 10 means 770. 770, this is cubic meter. This is volume. So now this one, the volume of this also should be equal. So here volume of cuboid is equal to what? L into B into H. Okay. This we know. Length is equal to 22 meter. Okay. Into height, that is breadth is equal to 14 meter. The height we have to calculate. So here this is equal to what? So this 22 into 14. So 22 into 14 means what? 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8. This is 22, 8, 10, 308. So 308 H. So this volume and this volume all both are equal. Okay. So now equating. So 7308 H is equal to 770. So H is equal to 770. Okay, divided by 308. 770 divided by 308. So this is equal to what? 2.5. Okay, this is meter. 2.5 meter. So this height is equal to 2.5 meter. So the platform height will be 2.5 meter. Okay, we'll go for next. So exercise 13.3 in that question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Okay, so here that is the well. So for this is a well of cylindrical shape. So here this is 14 meter deep. Okay, and 3 meter diameter. 3 meter dia. So the earth has taken out of it. It has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter. So here this is in this way. This is cylindrical well. So here in this way circular shape, the circular ring of width 4 meter. So this width is equal to 4 meter. So to form an embankment, so find the height of the embankment. So this will be here like this. Okay, I'll put a neat diagram here. This is the diagram. A well of diameter 3 meter. This is well diameter 3 meter, 14 meter deep. The earth has been taken out and it has been spread like this evenly all around in the shape of circular ring of width equal to 4 meter. So this width is equal to 4 meter. Okay, to form an embankment, find the height of this one. So this height we have to calculate. So now what we have to do? This volume we have to calculate. So this volume is equal to this volume. That is this cylindrical volume. So like this, here both this, here we can write both the well and embankment are in cylindrical shape. Okay, cylindrical shape. Hence the volume of well is equal to this volume of embankment. Okay, embankment. So here this volume of cylindrical shape, the volume of this well is equal to, this is volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So here this we will calculate, that is pi into, so this is equal to, so this pi into, this is 3 by 2 into 9 by 4 into 14. Okay, this is 2, this is 7. Okay, so here 9 7 ja 63. So 63 by 2 pi, that is equal to 31.5 pi. Okay, this is meter cube. So now volume of embankment is equal to, this is volume of cylinder only. Okay, here, so here volume of this embankment can be calculated as, you see here this is a cylindrical shape. So here this is from this to this point, it is 3 by 2 because 3 meter is the diameter. So this is 3 by 2 is the radius and this width is 4 meter. So first we will calculate this internal radius, that is internal radius is equal to what? That is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, meter. So external radius is equal to what? This is 3 by 2 plus 4. Okay, which is equal to 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11 by 2. So this is 11 by 2 meters because see 4 meter width it is given. Okay, external radius. So first calculate the volume of this external radius by using this external radius. So then we will subtract this volume of this one, internal radius, so that you will get the remaining. Okay, so volume, total volume, here this total volume we will calculate. So with the radius equal to 11 by 2 we will calculate. After that we will calculate the radius with by taking that is 3 by 2. Okay, so that we will subtract this area so that the remaining will be this one. Okay, so in this way the volume using external radius, external radius is equal to, here volume is equal to what? Pi r square h. So here pi into r means that is 11 by 2 square into h I will take as it is. So this is equal to, so 11 means 121 by 4 pi h. So this one. So after that volume with internal radius, this we have to subtract. This is internal. So here pi r square h. Okay. So here pi into r means what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 square into h. Okay. So now here 3 by 2 means 9 by 4. That is 9 by 4 into pi h. So now total I will subtract here. So remaining, that is volume of embankment we will get. Embankment we will get. So this is equal to 121 by 4 pi h minus 9 by 4 pi h. Okay. So this is equal to pi h into 121 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay. So here pi h, so 4 is the LCM, 121 minus 9. Okay. So this is equal to what? So 112 by 4. So 112 by 4 into pi h. Okay. This is volume of embankment. So this volume of embankment is equal to volume of that well. So volume of well is equal to 112. Volume of well is equal to what? That is here 31.5 pi. Okay. Volume of well equal to 31.5 pi. Okay. So this equal to this. So these two will make equator. So equating both volumes. So 31.5 pi is equal to 112 by 4 into pi h. So pi will be gets cancelled. So h is equal to 31.5 into 4 divided by 112. So this is equal to 1.125 meters. Okay. So exercise 13.3 in that question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and the diameter is 6 cm. Okay. Having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So here there is a container like a right circular cylinder. So there is a cylinder like container is there. So like this. Okay. So this is a cylinder having a diameter. This is diameter is equal to, that is 12 centimeter. Okay. So and height is equal to 15 centimeter. So this height is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is now full of ice cream here. Okay. So this volume you have to calculate first. So after that, this volume of ice cream has to be filled into, that is a cone is having like this, and it is height of 12 centimeter. This cone is also having a height of this 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter. So like this. And here the diameter of this one is equal to 6 centimeter. That is this diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And it is also having a hemispherical shape on the top. So like this. This is hemispherical shape. So here this diameter and this hemispherical shape of diameter both are same. That is equal to 6 centimeter. So this volume we have to find out, and this volume is equal to this, that is number of cones into the volume of one cone. That we have to equate. So first we have to calculate the volume of this cylinder, and after that we have to calculate the volume of one cone. So after that, this volume is equal to how many, that is x number of this cones, x number of the volume of this one. So I will put a neat diagram here. So like this. This is a cylinder full of ice cream. So this volume you have to calculate. So after that, the volume of this also to be calculated. This volume is equal to, that is x into this volume. So that the x, that is number of cones we will get. So now first we will calculate the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. So this is equal to pi r square h. Okay. Volume of this cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here r is the radius. Radius is equal to, that is diameter he has given, that is 12 centimeter. 12 divided by 2. So which is equal to 6 centimeter. So now the height of the cylinder is equal to 15 centimeter. That is height is equal to 15 centimeter. So we will substitute this one. So here pi r square h. So pi into r square means 6 square into h means 15. Okay. So this is 36 into 15. That is 36 into 15 pi. So which is equal to 540 pi. This is 545. So this is cubic centimeter. Okay. So now we got the volume of this one. This is equal to 540 pi. Okay. So now this volume also we have to calculate. That is volume of, that is ice cream cup. Ice cream is equal to the volume of cone. The volume of cone plus the volume of hemisphere, because the top is in the form of hemisphere. Okay. So the volume of cone we will calculate and the volume of hemisphere we will calculate. So now volume of cone is equal to, so 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is equal to 1 by 3. Here pi into r means the radius of this one. So radius here also, this is radius of cone is equal to what? Diameter is 6 centimeter divided by 2. So this is equal to 3. So this is 3 centimeter. So the height he has given, that is equal to 12 centimeter. So here pi into, here 3 square into h, that is 12. This is 12. So here 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 3 threes are 9. 9 fours are 36. So this is equal to 36 pi. So now we will calculate the volume of this hemisphere. That is volume of hemisphere. So this is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, this hemisphere, because sphere is 4 by 3, so this hemisphere is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into pi into r means c, this is radius. The radius of this hemisphere and radius of the cone are both are same. So this is equal to 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 3 will be gets cancelled. So 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. This is 18 pi. So now the total of volume of this ice cream, here volume of ice cream is equal to, so this 36 pi plus 18 pi. Okay. So here 54 pi. Okay. So here, so now we will equate both volumes, that is volume of cylindrical shape which is having a ice cream is equal to, so number of cones, that is number of into the volume of one cone, the volume of one cone. So this is 540 pi. So here is equal to, that is the number of cones into 54 pi. Okay. So here, so 54 pi. So here number of cones is equal to 540 pi divided by 54 pi. Okay. So here, so now pi will be gets cancelled. So 54 ones are 54 tens are. So this is equal to 10. So that is number of cones is equal to 10. So here 10 such number of cones, volume is equal to the volume of this cylinder. Okay. Find the number of such cones means, that is number of cones is equal to 10.